So many people are looking for easy living where they just don't have to do much maintenance. Well, we might have an opportunity for you because these are brand new construction right here in the heart of Port St. Joe. We're at Arazzo on Madison. What's Arazzo on Madison? It's a beautifully well put together community that has an amazing clubhouse. It has amazing, just all of the things that come with the neighborhood, from pickleball to a gathering area if you want to watch sports in football season, or you just want to hang out with your friends at an amazing pool. This is kind of better than anything we have in the whole area. So you're going to want to check this out. They've got 2 and 3 bedroom villas that are attached. They're built to Category 5 hurricane standards. You get a 2-car garage, which I'll show you the inside of that. You get hardy plank cement siding. They come complete with hurricane mesh that goes over all the windows. But inside and underneath the covers, they are built with rotting in the walls, all the hurricane clips. What does all that mean for you? It means that your insurance is super affordable because it's built to the standards that the insurance companies want. So I think it runs around $1,500 a year, and that's pretty affordable right now. Come in and take a look. We're gonna dip in here and I'm gonna show you the garage real quick. Whoa, maybe not. We've got all kinds of storage going on in this garage right now. But you have a full 2-car garage. As we go down the hallway, you're going to find our guest bedroom that's right here to the left. And inside of these, you get 2, look how bright it is in here. You get 2 really nice bright windows. You've got a double closet door with the 6-panel doors going on. Plenty of room. In the 3-bedroom, you get a full shared bath that comes with a full-size shower. Tile goes all the way to the roof. You've got quartz countertops, upgraded hardware in there. And this is the other guest room. A lot of people are using these for extra craft room, extra family room, a place that they can have extra guests if they need to, but just kind of more of a multi-purpose room unless you just actually need the bedroom. One of the things that's different between the 2-bedroom and the 3-bedroom is in the 3-bedroom you get a full laundry room. Look at this. You can do a stack washer dryer side by side. You've got your soaking sink here, and you've got plenty of room for extra storage. You get a coat closet right here, which you can do anything. That's your hurricane mesh, so that's how small it is. So it wraps up really small. That's for the windows. They've got a big island here with this huge sink. You've got extra cabinets here, a dishwasher. You've got a reach-in pantry right here. So lots of room. One of the things that's kind of unique about these is that they give you the subway tile backsplash. This is the color of the granite in this unit with the white cabinets and the polished nickel pulls. But you get a gas stove with these. Not only do you get a gas stove, you get an on-demand gas hot water heater. So, you know, you get that instant hot water all the time, never run out. Love that. So these are kind of upgrades that you don't see in a lot of new construction around our area. You get the LVP flooring throughout the entire place, so that easy clean. If you have pets, sand, anything, it's super easy to take care of. But this is a big living room with a lot of windows going on. So you have all of this nice, bright light. Now, your bedrooms are at the front of the house, so you get a nice split bedroom plan, and this is the primary bedroom where you have plenty of room for 2 nightstands, a big king-size bed. You can fit a dresser over here. You can make it a lounging area. Again, 2 nice bright windows. The bathroom, the ensuite bathroom is huge. You get 2 double sinks, a whole bank of drawers for all your storage. This has a stand-up walk-in shower, completely tiled from the top to the bottom. The master closet is large, so you've got a lot of storage in there, and then you get a linen closet as well. So how about that? Let's go out and take a look at the back, because this is where everybody's hanging out in the neighborhood. A lot of people have enjoyed their back porches here, and you can see from the one right down at the end that they've got, many people have screened all this in, so if you want some extra living space and you can do the indoor-outdoor living space, you have an opportunity to do that. You do get irrigation all around your yard. You take care of a small bit of your yard, so where this survey marker is right here, this is part of your yard, so it's a small yard, but you have enough room for your pet. So if you have a little furry friend and you want a spot to be able to let them out, they do have fences in here that are approved that you can put up. So you can do your fencing here if you want. You can have grass, not have grass. If you want to rock it in and you don't want to mow any of this, you don't have to do that either. But they do have irrigation everywhere, and that's all maintained by the HOA. All the common grounds, the pool, the clubhouse, all the things are maintained by the HOA. Very affordable. So if you want all the details on that, just comment down below. We'll send you everything, the floor plans and all that's included in this neighborhood. But this is a fabulous neighborhood that's super friendly, and you know, it's easy living. So we want you to enjoy it. So share this with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.